Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this apartment tour, I just want to mention to you guys that this video is brought to you by Low Mattress, and I am so excited because I freaking love sleeping, and this has to be one of the best bed that I've ever slept in. All my friends freaking love it when they come over and they lay on it. They are literally like, oh my gosh, Shalom, I don't want to wake up, just like me, but of course you got to wake up. So I know it's very important to have a good night's sleep or a nap after a long day of editing and filming an event. I just love to come down to my bed and just lay down. So as you guys can see, this mattress comes in a box, and when you open it and cut out the plastic, it just expands on its own. The advanced technology that they use provides your body with support and comfort and a durability that will last you years of sleep without experiencing any sagging. Low also provide 100 night of free tryout just so you have a feel of the mattress and to know if you really love it. And they also provide a free shipping and return. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in my description bar down below for anyone that is interested. Again, thank yous to Low Mattress for gifting me this mattress. I am freaking in love with it. But yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour as much as I did recording it. It wasn't easy, but I love it and I love my apartment. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so as soon as you walk into my apartment, on your right hand side, you're just going to see my open concept kitchen, which is not so big, but it's also not small. It's like the perfect size. I don't really have a lot of stuff sitting on my counter because I like to keep it clean, but I do have like this little candy jar that I put up for my guests. And I also have like my speaker when I'm cleaning or cooking. I just like to listen to music. And then on the wall, I have this thing that is just like, very positive, to be kind and forgiving and everything like that on the wall. And then I have my bar stool because I don't have a dining table and I didn't want a dining table either. But yeah, so that is what I have in my kitchen. across the door from the kitchen is my work area, which is like my little dent office area. I really love this section. I don't know why. I just love the vibe of the gold and black. So I actually added the shelf on top of that, so the space didn't come with the shelf. I did that myself, and I just got this egg chair. If you guys know, when I was back in Maryland, I had the egg chair in yellow, so I also wanted it in black, so I decided to get it in black this time. And I have this canvas on the wall that I got on this website, and then on top of the shelf, I just put some of my magazines that I was actually featured in. So moving along from the office editing section, I have my little second office, which is my beauty section. I really love this. I just love it. It kind of just gives it a really nice vibe. And when you come in, you know that I am into makeup. So I have this table that I got from Overstock, which is so pretty. It's just white, and then it has like the silver legs. And then on top of it, I just have my makeup. Everything that is acrylic on my table is actually from Cosmo Cube, so my storage is from Cosmo Cube. And right above that, I just have this mirror that I believe I got from Ross. It's just pretty. It goes with my vibe, the gold and kind of silver vibe. And then I have my bench. I really wanted to have a bench just in case my friends come over and we're doing makeup. It's so much easier to have a guest for my videos. And then above that, I just have like a fan art, and then I have this bookshelf that I decided to just put my makeup that I like to put in display. So I have like my Fenty, my MAC, some of my random little lipstick, the Kylie, and other knickknack stuff. But yeah, so this is my little beauty section. I know. Okay, so we are finally in my living room, and the first thing you are going to see in my living room is this blue couch because it's just so eye-catching, and I just fell in love with it when I saw it. I was just like, yes, let me have it. So right on the left side of this couch, I have my plant. So I decided to get a fake plant because God knows I cannot take care of a real plant. So I got this plant that just kind of makes the blue even pop more. And right on my couch, I have my pillow. So I got a pillow that kind of matches the couch, and then I also have this pillow that kind of has like a gold silver-ish tone to it, especially when the sun is hitting it. It just goes very well. And right above my couch, I have this triangle mirrored circle thing I found at Ross. I was so freaking lucky to find this. Like, I found four of them, so I have like two in my bedroom and two in the living area. And then I have my lamp right here, which I really do not like because it's just too low for my liking. But anyway, moving forward, I have my selfie little section, which is this body mirror that I got from Wayfair. And right below that, I just have this candle. This are battery candles inside a lamp. It just looks so good right beside the mirror. And then so moving forward, I have of course my coffee table, and underneath my coffee table I just have some magazine, and I have two of that. What do you call this little things? I totally forgot. Whatever, I know what it's called, but I forgot. And so above my coffee table, I have this little decorative balls, and then I have these two candle holders that I put another battery candles in there because let Lord knows I do have real candles, but I try not to have so much that I can control. And so looking up, I just have this wall of like frames. I really wanted the walls of frames, so I did this little wall by myself. And of course, then I have my little entertainment area, my TV, and then my TV stand that I got from Wayfair. I'm going to put the link of everything that I have. But yeah, so this is my living room, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And if you don't, it's okay. You know, it's my space, and I love it. Okay, so as soon as you walk into my bedroom, you're going to be faced with this humongous blue tufted bed that I am in love with, and I don't think I would ever fall out of love with this. I found this on Wayfair, the same place that I got my couch. So I was so lucky because this was actually the last one in this color at the moment. But girl, I snatched it, and right above my bed, I just have that same thing that I had in my living room. I decided to put it because I needed something to put on the wall on top, and then on the side of the bed, I just have this mirrors that I got from IKEA for like $20 each, and I just put it right above my nightstand. And the nightstand is actually from Overstock, and it's just a mirrored nightstand that, oh my god, it's just so pretty. It goes very well with the whole theme that I was going for. I love mirrors. I didn't used to like having mirrors because about what happened to me, but now I just love mirrors and I want to see them everywhere. Okay, if it was up to me, I would literally have a mirrored house. But yeah, and then this night lamp that I got is from Hobby Lobby, and I got it for I think 50% off, so it was literally for $40, and I was like, yes. So my bed set is actually from Ross, and then I have this pillow, this cheetah pillow that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just wanted to put something that has like texture to it on the bed, so it's not plain. I just feel like this kind of gives it a bit of a drama, you know what I mean? But yeah, I just really, really, really love my bed. This is like my favorite place in the whole house. I have a lot of favorite places in my apartment, but yeah, my bedroom is definitely one of them. And so right in front of my bedroom, I have my dresser, and right on the dresser I just have this my Chanel, I'm sorry, not Chanel, my Gucci perfume, and a little bit of like plant and some other stuff in my bag. And then of course I have this round mirrored that I just fell in love, like I had to have it because it just remind me of the like being inside a ship. So yeah, and so moving along to the other side of my bed, I have my IKEA eyeless drawers. So this is where I put some of my makeup and my hair stuff, all that goes in here. And right on top of it, I have this African inspired bag by It's Okay. She actually gifted me that bag, and I just love it so much. So I just put it right on top of there. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar that you can, get that bag. They come in different sizes, and I believe that was like the medium size. So right next to my IKEA thing, I basically have some PR boxes that I did not open. And right in front of it, I have my closet. My closet is not huge, but it's definitely big enough for me. I can walk in and I just kind of coordinate my stuff in colors. So I just closed that and then I went and head to my bathroom, which is right next to my closet. And I have this huge bathroom. This bathroom is way bigger than what I had when I was back in Maryland. I love it so much. And then I just have these towels that I got from Ross. I have like a bunch of different colors, but right now I have the little pink one and the white one um on display, and then this big old mirror. I freaking love my mirror. And so on the side of the mirror, well actually and then this little stuff that I got from IKEA, and I just put like my um, cotton balls and all of that. And then on the wall, I have this canvas thing that said hello on it. Well, why hello? And so just, yeah, this is basically the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you for coming to my apartment. Now you have to go. But before I leave, I just wanted to show you guys. Well, I'm not going to actually open this, but this is like a storage, and it's also like the where they have like the AC stuff, and I just like to put all my little badges that I got from events that I went to. It just kind of sits there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.